YouTubers, welcome to the Pistol Alignment Workshop and the launch of a new series on the channel, Ask Billy. Ask Billy is going to be for our fans and subscribers out there. If you have any opinions, project ideas, or just general nonsense that you want to see on this channel, then give us a message. So use the hashtag AskBilly on our Facebook page or YouTube channel in the comments, or email us on askbillyballswell@hotmail.com. We'll try to do the best with that we can. Please interact, drop us a line, or if you just want to say hi to the team, including Billy here, then please do. So thanks for watching. Please go and view all our other videos. Like, subscribe, see us on Facebook. Keep a lookout for old Billy round town and buy him a beer if you see him. And yeah, we'll see you again soon. Thank you.